We guide you through how to send money using the Remitly app. So the first thing you need to do is to download and open Remitly app from your app store, then sign up or log in using your email or phone number and complete your profile verification. Once inside, select the country you are sending money to and enter the amount you want to transfer. And the app will automatically show you the exchange rate, fees, and delivery time option. Next, add your recipient by entering their full name and details exactly as shown on their ID or bank account to avoid delays. After that, choose how your recipient will receive the money, such as bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile wallet depending on availability in their country. Then select your payment method like bank transfer, debit card, or credit card and review all the transaction details carefully. Once everything is correct, tap confirm and complete your payment, and Remitly will process your transfer and give you a tracking numbers so you can monitor the status in real time. And finally, you can check updates in the activity section of the app until the money is successfully delivered, making sure your transfer is smooth, secure, and hassle-free from the start to finish.